everyone, this is me Saumya Saxena, and this video is all about how you can make dress with color pencils. So let's start. These are the shades that you need for this drawing, or you can choose any shades you want. I've already drawn something, so I'll just rub it off like this. So first take the lighter shade and give your dress a base. Okay, you have to do it with free hands. Okay, don't put much pressure on paper, and like this. Okay, so in clothes we see that there are always some wrinkles and folds, so we will work accordingly. What we need to take care of is that we have... Okay, so before we go further, I would like to tell you that there are two shades in every cloth, that the darker and the lighter. Okay, so here I'm going to start with darker. So what I do is that I will first color the dark part, where I have to give a dark or bright shade to my hand. Same with this side. So you get this idea, and other folds too. Now I will start making the print or the dress. So in this I will just make lines. Okay, so what you need to do is that you need to make lines, because this is the print I'm giving to this t-shirt. Simple. Okay, you need to take care how you go with your lines, because that will define your cloth in this type of pattern. Okay, see how lines by themselves giving a look to my dress. And this is how you do it. Alright, so now we have to do this all over the t-shirt. You can give any print or any design to your clothes according to your choice. You will definitely see the results. Darker shade, and highlight some features. So this is how you do. Now I will give it some finishing. Like I will make a pattern. The most important thing that you need to take care while making dress is that these wrinkles and folds. Okay. So this is how you give finishing. So all these were the shades that you were needed for this kind of drawing, and for making this shots you will need these shades of blue. I will just rub it off like this so that I get an idea. And now again, so this is how you can draw your clothes with color pencils. And if you have any queries, you can ask us on comment section and DM us on Instagram. So thank you and keep practicing.